All right, folks, I hope you're having a good day. And what we're talking about today is winterizing again. Okay, I keep telling people to keep your house from freezing inside, you've got to work from your outside to in. Okay, and this is external. These faucets, we call them spigots here, but they're faucets, have to be covered. Now, these covers are great. They're fine and dandy and everything. Let me take this one off here real quick. But underneath it, you need to either do what I did here, put some foam all the way around it, okay? Or plastic bags. Now, maybe you don't have the foam or you don't want to buy foam and deal with it, but if you do deal with the foam, you've got to be an artist a little to put it around there so you don't block anything off. You got to do it really neat, and definitely wear gloves, some type of disposable gloves, because it will stick to your skin and it will not come off. Now, this is one way to do it, to keep your spigot insulated and covered. You got to get these at Lowe's, Home Depot, or doggone Walmart. Get these covers, put them on there, and keep them on there through the winter, because it's going to save your pipes from either bursting or freezing when it gets really, really super cold. But I'll show you the bag technique also. Okay, here's one of my outdoor faucets that I already have, ready for winter, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So first we got to detach this. Okay. Take the cover off. Okay. And these covers are great and they're real cheap. So get them at, like I said, Lowe's or Walmart or Home Depot. Anybody that carries them, Ace Hardware. Get these puppies. They're well worth it. Now here's my bags. There they are. They're already there. The bags are wrapped around the faucet. Okay. You just get your regular bags from Walmart or wherever else and just tie them in a knot. And then you're going to place them, as many as you can, around the faucet. Okay. Now these covers do a great job. Don't get me wrong. But you need more insulation. And this insulation is going to be important because the cold is going to transfer from outside through this pipe into your house and freeze your pipes inside. I'm telling you, that's how it works. So you need to pay attention to this. And there's one more spot where you need to put a bunch of plastic bags, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, the last spot is your water meter or your shutoff valve. They're all in the same spot underneath this cover, usually somewhere towards the front in your street. What I do is I put a whole bunch of bags in a bag in here. Okay, they're floating in water right now because we had a severe rain, but when it gets cold, these things will settle down on top of your meter. Okay, underneath here, my water meter is right below here. You can't see it, there's a bunch of water in there right now, but these bags will insulate it. So pack it full of bags or put it in a bag like I do and just throw it in there. Okay, so good luck, God bless, it works for me.